a song for everyone. It's going to be quite simple, 'cause all you'll have to do is sing the letters after me, then I'll sing after you. Aleph, bet, vet,
Aleph, bet, vet,
Gimel, Dalet, hey,
Gimel, Dalet, hey,
Vav, Zayin, Chet, Tet,
Vav, Zayin, Chet, Tet,
Yud, Kaf, Chaf,
Yod, Kaf, Chaf,
Lamed, Mem, Nun,
Lamed, Mem, Nun,
Samech, Ayin, Pei, Pei,
Samech, Ayin, Pei, Pei,
Tadik, Kuf, Resh,
Tadik, Kuf, Resh,
Shin, Sin, Kaf. Let's learn the alphabet, simple as it can be. You'll learn the alphabet if you sing the letters after me. Each letter has a name and a sound that it always makes. Now let's sing the special chorus. We'll have fun, it will not bore us. It's the